Hello everybody, it's me Scooter and we are back with our second giveaway. And our second giveaway is this John Cena 1 of 10 giveaway. And we are about to see who is going to win this. Now this is a big giveaway because this is 1 of 10 of the monster trucks. And we got more, don't worry, but I really hope that somebody else wins this John Cena monster truck. But okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down here. We are gonna go copy the thing here. Then we got and we're gonna go to the YouTube random comment picker. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down here. We put the thing in. We filter duplicate users. Okay, it's just my way of making it fair. Include. Okay, and then we're gonna get YouTube comments. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 888 comments. And now we got 6 comments. So we're going to go over here to the start button. And we're going to push the start button. And we're going to see who will be taking home, who will be winning this John Cena Hot Wheels monster truck. And go. And the winner of the Hot Wheels John Cena monster truck is the Matt Paulina era. And he won it, was glad to see John Cena's back in the ring and wrestled to great monster truck ever. So congratulations to Matt Paulina. He has won the John Cena 1 in 10 monster truck. And the WWE fan has won the Alexa Bliss one. So we only got one more giveaway left. And it's that laptop. And we will be making a video for this one. Give away this one. This one is a big one. So good luck to whoever wins it. And congratulations. I will autograph this. If you want me to, just let me know. Until our next video, which will be the RCA iPad giveaway. Y'all have a nice day.